Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I show handbags and hauls. Hope everyone is having a blessed day so far. So I did purchase something from this new fall collection from Coach. So let's see what I purchased. So this is the Coach Hadleyturnlocktote, and the color of this bag is army green. Okay, so this is how the inside is looking. Let me remove the paper. Okay, so you do have that green leather material in the inside of this bag. So you do have a back zipper pocket, and you also have your Coach creed right there. Just have the Coach look. So I'm loving the space in this bag right here. I love the smell of a handbag, you all. So this bag right here, I wasn't gonna get this particular bag, you all. The bag that I was going in Coach to get was the Iron Current City tote bag in that new color, you all. So they didn't receive them bags at the Coach outlet. So when I tried this bag right here on, I love the way it feels on my shoulder. I love the way it blends in with my skin real nice. Love the way that it feel on my body and where it's at on my body. So yeah, so I purchased this bag right here. I've been looking at these bags right here for a minute because they've been out, but this is the new suede term right here. They didn't have a lot of SLGs to go with this particular bag right here. So I paired it with the new leopard print. So this is the new leopard print right here, you all. And this print is beautiful. So it do have that black interior in the inside, the same credit card slots right here. And I also have the one that I just purchased. So this is the latest leopard print that they just brought out as well. So I want to do some comparison. So this one right here, I think I like this one right here better than this one. So in the inside of here, I think this one do have the black interior as well. Okay, so on this one you do have the Coach written on here. So let me see, do it have the Coach written on? So it don't have the Coach written on this one. So I do have the wallet, and it is the Snap card case wallet, and it is detachable. I will be looking for more pieces to put with this particular bag right here to see um what other SLGs that can fit with this bag right here. But I do like this setup right here that I have. Okay, so I do have a quick little haul as well that I got from Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works were having a sale going on for $5.95. So I did get something from there. So I have this new fragrance. This they new fall fragrance. And it smells wonderful, you all. So I got the lotion also. And I also have this one. This one smells wonderful. And I have the lotion. I also have that glazing pumpkin. And I have the lotion. Okay, I have some more stuff that I purchased from Ross. So Ross had the original Coach spray, and I got it, you all. I saw Dazzle channel, and she was talking about the original Coach spray. If you can find it, you know they do have it on Amazon. So when I went in Ross, and I saw that they had it in Ross, and I purchased. So so that's how it look. How the little Coach the change, and you have the on the top. You do have Coach written on the top. And this smells wonderful also. Okay, so the next thing I have is some bag charms. I also purchased this bag charm from Ross. And I have this bag charm that I purchased from Marshall. So you have your little so my AirPod Pros can fit in this little purse. And you have the charms with the black heart on there. So I thought that was cute. I also have some cherries that I purchased from Cato's. So Cato's do sell bag charms now, you all. So the next thing I have is this ramp page, and this is the initial E, my initial for my first name. So you have a keychain and you also have a bracelet. So I thought that was neat as well. And I purchased this from Burlington. Okay, so the next thing I have is another bag charm, and this is the Disney bag charm that I purchased from TJ Maxx with Lilo and Stitch. And I have one more. So this is the eye candy, arm candy bracelet that I purchased from TJ Maxx, and I thought that was so cute, you all. So yes. So this is everything that I had on today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, give me a share. Make sure you subscribe to One Habit 84. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video.